G'day, we're here at Nary Warren North, just outside of Melbourne, Victoria. Today we're going to grind these 17 pine stumps. These stumps are anywhere from about a meter to just under a meter in diameter. And we're going to be using the Hurricane RS series stump grinding machine. This is a track machine that has a pivot of 360 degrees on it. It is an awesome machine. It's powered by a 140 horsepower John Deere turbocharged diesel engine, and we're really looking forward to showing you what this machine can do today. All right, so as you can see, we're over halfway through this job. It's been about an hour and a half and the machine is doing fine. We're doing these pine trees and they've just been cut down, so the material is sappy and it's green, but we haven't had any trouble with the machine whatsoever. All right, one of the things that I really enjoy using is this wireless control device. Now this machine is 140 horsepower and it has a sweep of 360 degrees. So it is a very powerful machine. To be able to control it completely through this device is really nice because it keeps me well away from the dirt, dust, and debris, which is a great benefit and feature of using this machine. It would have taken a smaller machine probably a day and a half or 2 days to do this job. But the Hurricane, as you can see, came in just 3.5 hours, did this job, swept all of the root material, went down to 24 inches, 600 mil in the ground, and did a fantastic job. And once again, I would encourage you, if you're in the industry and you've never used a wireless control device while operating a stump grinder, I would highly recommend you try a stump grinder with the wireless control device.